Welcome to day 12 of our 12 Days of Christmas giveaway.
Today is Serger Day, and we've got some amazing machines lined up. Baby Lock Triumph, Baby Lock Accolade.
And today's giveaway is a serger pack worth $67 from Baby Lock.
And the best part of today is we have someone extra special helping us today, Calvin, our son-in-law.
He married into the sewing family and the sewing world.
And today he's helping us dive into the fantastic sergers.
So let's get rolling with day 12. So I'm here at day 12. Today is Serger Day. I'm here with Chris Kringle.
Calvin Kerr, close enough.
Okay, close enough. Okay. Now, Calvin, how long have you been with Montavilla?
I think I'm going on 5 years. Is that right?
Yeah, I think so.
I think
4.5 right now.
4.5, yeah.
It's been a while. So, and tell me something that you really didn't know about the sewing world, and now you're just like so much into it, you can't believe.
Yeah, something I didn't expect about the sewing world was that I was a construction contractor before getting into sewing, and so I thought, sewing machines. Yeah, right, in your dreams. I'll never be part of the sewing machine world. And then I became part of it, and I never realized how much fun it would be. It's a ton of fun, tons of fun with people, tons of fun with machines. It's just, there's not a day that I come here and don't have fun in one way or another.
So today we're going to talk about some sergers, okay? And we've got the Triumph, which is the top serger on the market. Now tell me, what does the Triumph do?
The Triumph is going to be the combination between a cover stitch machine and a serger combined into one.
A serger stitch is this stitch right here.
Yes, the seam. Lots of garments have serger stitches, so it's going to be seamed on the shoulders, on the top here, used very heavily in garment construction, but also can be used in quilting in a whole fun variety of ways.
Right. And then also the cover hem stitch is?
Right. And so the cover hem stitch, it's going to be an edge finishing stitch on a lot of garments. Most shirts, like if you get them at most places, are going to have some kind of cover hem on the bottom of the garment. It looks like a nice straight stitch on top, but if you flip it underneath, it's got the looper that goes back and forth, making it super stretchy, very strong, and it will take the beating that the end of a garment typically takes.
Yeah, so you can do all your garment construction, professional looks with these machines. That's what I love about them, yeah. Now we have two different ones. We cannot forget. Before we move on, I've got to talk about the Baby Lock Triumph, and then we're also going to talk about the Baby Lock Accolade. Both have this exclusive wave stitch on it. What is that? What is that stitch?
The wave stitch is cool. It's decorative. It basically takes two threads and sort of weaves them back and forth by adjusting the tension system. It's not exactly tensions, but it's a really, really cool system that Baby Lock developed, and it's exclusive to them. So
okay, you just got because you can't use the word tension when it comes to Baby Lock sergers.
That's what I said technically. As I follow it, I said technically first. So,
okay, well, because the Baby Lock doesn't use tensions, it uses a different way of thread control, thread delivery system that makes it so that you get perfect stitches on any fabrics without having to change anything, because there are no tension dials.
I have done, just as a fun sample, everything from about 8 layers of denim. I did that one on the Accolade, which perfect tensions with no issue, and then I followed it without changing anything. I actually took a piece of tissue paper, like blow your nose with, and I separated it just to get it down to one single ply tissue paper and ran that through, and the tensions laid over perfectly. There's no other machine that can do
So if your two plies come apart, which they sometimes do, you can sew them back together, is what you're saying?
I wouldn't recommend it, but yes.
Okay.
Technically, with the Baby Lock serger.
So we also have the Accolade. Now this guy here is a model that we're closing out, right? What I think is great about the Accolade is this is actually the lowest price we've ever seen it at. And really, honestly, it does everything the Triumph does. It's just a smaller machine. And right now we have it with a 16-foot kit at no extra value. It's $1,000 worth of feet at no extra charge. So you're going to want to see the price of the Accolade online or come into the store and see a demonstration on these. These are great. Calvin, give me a Christmas memory that you might have.
You know what? I'm going to say when we went on a trip as a family with the intention to go on a ski trip. Ooh, this was recently. And the snow, it was raining the whole time. So we technically made it on the mountain one day, and I was on a snowboard and y'all were on skis, and I got stuck so many times. But aside from that, the trip ended up being barely a ski trip, and turned into just a fun time to hang out as a family.
Oh,
And that was a
cool.
blast. It was a surprise.
Okay. And because of this, you get to also choose our last day 12 code word. What is a Christmas code word that we could have to give away this thread set?
Snowbird.
Snowbird. Sounds like a ski resort in Utah.
Might be.
So today's code word is snowbird. Do you want to check your email tomorrow and type that in?
And that officially wraps up day 12 of Montavilla Sewing's 12 Days of Christmas giveaways. What a journey.
Yeah, big thank you to Calvin for showing us the Baby Lock Accolade and the Triumph today.
I sure do love that kid.
And don't forget his code word, which is snowbird.
Snowbird.
Yeah.
And remember, every purchase during the holiday sale gets you entered into our giveaways, and today was your last chance.
Thank you for celebrating the 12 incredible days with us. You'll all make this season so much fun.
Yeah. And may your seams be straight, your sergers be speedy, and your projects be merry.
Merry Christmas from all of us at Montavilla Sewing Center.